Hi, I'm Denise, and today I'm going to show you how to cut up a yoga mat into small practice pads. The foam is nice and soft and squishy, so it makes a really good little practice pad. And why do I use these? I use them to dampen the sound on the top of a bucket. Sounds really ugly with the foam pad on top. It has a much nicer timbre and a much nicer resonance. If I'm in the students' classrooms and I don't want to haul 30 buckets with me, I can desk drum. And again, it sounds like that, but when I put the practice pad down, it sounds much nicer and it has a little bit of bounce like a real practice pad does. So I've taken a regular yoga mat, and what I'm going to do, these are 8 inches by 6 inches. And the yoga mat is a 24-inch yoga mat. So I'm going to be able to do 4 across, and I'm going to make them 8 inches in length. So I need to measure 8 inches on both sides of the mat. So here's my 8-inch mark here. And over on this side, here is my 8-inch mark. And then I use that same meter stick to draw a line between my 2 marks. And this line I'm going to cut with scissors because it's too long to fit in the photocopier or into the paper cutter. So I'll just cut it with scissors. And then I'm going to mark off my 6-inch lengths, top and bottom. I could draw lines, but I could just go straight to my paper cutter and line them up on the paper cutter. So in about a minute or two, I've got 4 nice practice pads that I can use. My calculation of cost of these, I bought the yoga mat for $4 at Dollarama, and I think these practice pads are costing me 13 cents each. So a really inexpensive way to enable desk drumming or to dampen the sound on your buckets.